In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a picture border in PowerPoint and how to customize it so it looks clean, professional, and polished. This is a super simple trick, but it can make a big difference when you want your images to stand out in a presentation. Whether you're creating slides for work, school, or a client project, adding a border can help frame your picture and give your design a much more finished look. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and click on the picture you want to edit. You need to select the image first, so PowerPoint knows exactly which object you want to format. Once the picture is selected, look at the top ribbon and click the Picture Format tab. This tab only appears when an image is active and it contains all the tools you need to adjust the appearance of your picture. Now, in the Picture Format menu, find and click Picture Border. This is the option that lets you add an outline around your image. When you click it, you'll see a list of border settings and color choices. From here, you can start customizing the border to match your slide design. First, choose the border color. You can pick a standard color from the theme, or you can choose a custom color if you want the border to match your branding, your slide background, or the rest of your presentation style. Next, choose the weight, which is the thickness of the border. A thin border gives a subtle, clean look, while a thicker border creates a stronger frame around the picture. Then, if you want a different style, click dashes and choose the line style you prefer. You can use a solid line for a classic look, or choose dotted or dash styles if you want something more creative or decorative. Once you've selected your color, weight, and dash style, the border will be applied to your picture immediately. At this point, you can click away from the image and see how it looks on the slide. If needed, you can always go back and make adjustments until the border matches your layout perfectly. This is a great way to make screenshots, product images, profile photos, or any other picture in PowerPoint stand out more clearly. And that's it. You've now added a picture border in PowerPoint and customized it just the way you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and useful PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.